Hello, hello. Test. We good? Let's get it. Boom. We live, baby. We ready. Let's get it. We on. We good. We ready. We're doing it. We're killing it. Yeah. FTM-Oh. From FTM-Oh No to FTM-Oh Yeah. Update on the current challenges, because I'm in Australia. If you can't tell, mate, because I'm in Australia, they had to go transfer over to FTM-Oh Australia. So the actual accounts themselves are frozen, but we've still got our other one, which, oh, do I update? Yeah, I'll update that. We still have the other one, which we can still use. I have my Dominion Markets, my personal one. It's a lot smaller. It's a lot smaller, that is, but it's all right. That one I did really well with so far. For today, anyway. And I'm very, very cautious on taking trades, because there was something I watched end of last week, so over the weekend. And I think the guy's name is the Traveling Trader. And there was something he said. He goes, if you associate clicking with losing, then that means you will only take like the best setups, you know? So yeah, let's pull this up. Let's get this going. Get rid of these, because these are all gone now, aren't they? And what we can see here, gold looks like it's retracing. It's coming back, but let's go to this cheeky little menu. We've got gold on the right, we've got GJ on the left, but let's split this into the old singularity. And what is it? It's on GJ. No, we want not Bitcoin, which is, looks like it's going down since the market open. Go away. Gold. Goldie. So, the level it's at looks like, if we draw this line here, the classic support becomes resistance, or resistance becomes support, right? This looks like it's a bit of a strong level where it was a previous high, came back down, and then broke above and traded up here. Is this now making this previous resistance to support to go back up? It could be. And it looks like it is, because it's rejecting, or yeah, it's rejecting, and it's holding this support pretty well. But yeah, so that's one level we got. And then what's the next level under it? If we can go on the 30, this one, it's probably that. Yeah, I'd give it about there. What's that? 26, it'd be 26, 25, I'm assuming. Whatever. Yeah, I'm alright with that. That looks like that range. And then all the way back up, like, geez. That, I guess? To catch it all the way back up. How's it look on the 1 hour? Do this one. No, probably that. That's the 1 hour. See, I'm doing this backwards almost. That could be enough liquidity to fly and take out all-time highs. That could be that liquidity. Grab and then see you later to the next moon. Or to the mini moon, which is what we're having. Anyway. Yeah. But right now, look, this could have been a decent little entry. This here. The break of this. What's that? 6 pips already. Yeah, that would have been a decent little entry. How's it look on the 15? 15. Not bad. What would the stop loss would have been? That. So it'd be here to there. 50 pips. Oh, bro, that's crazy. Yeah, gold is moving mental right now. Look at like this bit here. This gives you the most recent one, and it's already 22 pips in profit. This is nuts. Nutso. Yeah, look, it looks like it's formed a support, and it's a pretty strong support already. Excuse me. Well, I have an email apparently. Go away for now. Cool. Perfect. Yeah. Look, it's I would like it to make a little resistance. I'd like it to come up, make a resistance, and then go. So that could even be here. Right? It could be there. But we'll see. We'll see how the hourly closes. And then I guess the 5 and the 15. We'll see how they all close. But yeah. Gold is golden. Gold is golden. You know? And let's go to the old split screen. Is that going to stay? Cool. That's fine. GJ. Great British Pound in Japanese yen. So let's go to the daily. What's the daily doing? The daily is in this massive range. But when was that? July. It seems to have come down, holding here, trying to come back up. And it looks like it might be coming back up, but it rejected pretty hard here. So this is, look, it did break, but it could be a fake out to continue down. So that looks like a very strong resistance. Are we forming a support on the daily? It's potential. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, same idea. Look, it's holding. It tried to, but then it's like, nah, we're coming back up. Again, ideally, we're coming back up is what it's doing. This 4 hour has an hour and a half left, and it's that small. That is very side by side on smaller time frames, which is exactly what it is. So it looks like it's in this range right here. And the next one up is there. We'll probably go to there. Let's have a look at the hour. What's the hourly doing? Yeah, I'll leave it at the 30. You got those ranges. If it breaks out above, maybe just here, maybe just a little bit. If it breaks and closes, I reckon I'd be happier above this wick. Breaks and closes above this wick, you've got that range to go. If it breaks and closes below these levels, below probably that wick, you've got a range to come down. That's where I'm looking at GJ. Potential buys above. Potential sells below. Oh, sells below. Below. And then gold. Gold is just moving mad. Is this liquidity? It could be, because if you look at it on the daily, daily tried to go up, it couldn't. Come all the way back down. This could be like there. Look at that. Look at that. That daily level. Right there. That's the level it's looking to fill. Fill this whole candle and go, yep, cool. That's enough to fly. Now we just got to find a right entry, because look at like that 15. There's no entry anywhere. Maybe at the break of this candle, because you've got But even then, it took off no bottom wick. I wouldn't get in. I shouldn't get in. Because the previous 15 is doji. Doji-ish. Slightly bullish, but doji. So you go, is this a proper support? I don't really know. And then it's just taken off. So this takeoff, you can't predict. You just can't predict it. Now, when the hourly closes, oh, is it going to engulf? Who knows? So we just got to wait. Now, this is it. This is the mental game. This is the discipline. This is keeping myself on track to go, nah, I'm not going to take it. I'm seeing it move. And I see in Discord groups that it's going and there's people taking it. I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take either. Because there's no move on GJ. And for gold, I'm just not going to take it. Because there's 1,000,001 different things that could happen. Just the same that, where is it? Here, that a previous on the way up, a previous resistance is maybe becoming support. The same way, this support could become the resistance. So I could take a buy right here, and then it hits this area and it goes, see you later, bang, goes down. So it's hard to tell. All we can do is just play the cards we're dealt, play the candles that are in front of us. You know? Yeah. That's pretty much where we're at. My posture's average. I just sort myself out, eh? I just saw myself in the camera. Not happy. Anyway. There.
Doing.
Oh my god. Whoops. Hee. Whew. Anyway, chat. How we doing? Hey? How we doing? To all my 0 viewers out there, this is just accountability. This is just accountability. I'm keeping myself on track. Keeping myself accountable, making sure everything's all right. Because if you don't, what's the point? What's the bloody point? You know what I mean? So current week. So today, really today. Earlier today, I got a little bit trigger happy. We went going. We was going good. We was going pretty good on gold and GJ. So made some pretty good gains considering it's what 38.71 and the balance is 225.19. It's a pretty good percentage increase. Let's get the old calculator out. 225.19 take away 38.71 divided by 38.71 1 over times 100. 20.76% today. Pretty good. Pretty good. So right now, the way I see it, as it is today, I have what, $30 to play with in terms of like leverage and just I guess account money. Because even if I made $8.71, it's still pretty bloody good. So at the same time, but I don't want to lose it, right? So that's why. This is probably with the default state I should be in. I should be in this default state of like, the money's there, I've got it, don't lose it. Don't you dare lose it. So I've got to be real stingy with it and go, nah, it's not going anywhere, nothing's happening. But yeah. Let's have a little update, have a little look-see at the old FTM-Oh account and see what the go is, eh? Your transfer is currently being processed and may take up to 2 business days. Once complete, your account will be reactivated. We look forward to seeing you soon. Cool. So FTM-Oh is on it, which is great. Now, my understanding is that it's a 1 to 30. It's a 1 to 30. I'm blanking. 1 to 30 leverage, which is all right. But yeah. In the meantime, I've got actual work to do. I think this is work as well, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. All right, let's get this done. Oh, that's good. but it's a little bit slow. Bro, 100 pips. Crazy. Crazy girl. Doesn't look right. Ooh, hourly closure. How do we look? Look, that looks like on the gold, right? So on gold looks like we've got a strong support. GJ is just printing side by side, so that can wait for now. All right, what's gold got here? U. 15 pip wick. Pretty good. How's it looking on the 15? Oh, the 15 doesn't look good. It's tried, but it's rejected. And at 5s, it's sort of doing nothing. Okay. This is the 1 hour. So what I would want... So look at the lower time frames. Where's it bounced off of? not really that clean for me. Like if we get a nice little bottom wick, which looks like it's done, which is good. You can go down further. That'll be great. Go down further. It's not really done much for us. That's not enough. I'd need a little bit more. Like more than just a nipple wick, you know? And on the 30 and the 15, I'd need it to maybe touch that. If it, that's what I would want. I would have wanted to test the 15-minute low, not break it, and then come up. And then I'd catch the wick fill. But I don't know. That's not it for me. That just ain't it for me, fam. Are we in New York? Yeah, there you go. We're in the New York time. Down here at the bottom left. Yeah, it's just not it for me. Just not there. GJ looks like it's going. But again, it's just printing side by side. See? Oh, here we go. How much is that wick fill from there? 7. If you'd have come down first, held, and then come up, I'd be happy. But just not there. Like I'd take what? This? Nah, bro. I'd be looking to come up to... I'm looking to come up to there. And the stop would be just under. That would be it, right? If we get the break, and then like that, what break even is there? Bro, risking break even for what? 6 pips? Nah, man. Nah. Clicking is losing. The more you click and click buy, sell, the more you're likely to lose. So don't do it. Don't do it. So I'm sitting my... Oh, GJ's going. Maybe. It's going to hold there and flip and come back down. And yeah, GJ still printing sideways, man. Still printing sideways. I'll do some editing on this screen over here. Yeah, not gonna happen, bruv. It's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good. Oh, GJ. GJ, you teasing me, you naughty naughty, you teasing me. So he's still just not like, there's the wick fill, right? There's the wick fill that we said we wanted. It took out the low anyway. So it took me out. I would have taken that and set that as the stop loss. So that took me out, or would have taken me out. So yeah, still a no. Still nothing for me right now. Because like if it was to take it on the 1 hour, I'll be looking for that, bruh. That's insane. Like that's crazy. Not gonna happen. Sorry, Chief. Not gonna happen. Oh, hello. We have the Doyle Classic, eh? Oh, that's probably this. The old supply and demand, eh? Look at that. Right there, that little zone. So the idea being is that it comes back and then it's off. Maybe. I don't know. We can paper trade this one, hey? Let's do that. Oh, hello. What's going on here? So the idea would be, you see how it reacts, and then you take the candle structure, right? So you just see how it reacts, and you base it off the candle structure for the next bit. Price action, that's the one. Or 5 minute fully engulfed it. But it's respecting it. Ooh, GJ. What are you doing, you saucy devil? What are you doing up here? Poking your little head out above all these levels. What are you doing? What are you doing? At the same time, if it takes it out, invalidates, and it goes, here later. Little bit of manipulation. A little bit of manipulation, maybe. Or maybe not. Yep, that's gone. Order, supply, demand zone. Supply. Not, no, demand buyers, buy, demand. So then you go to the next one. Then it might react off. Let's see that one. Ooh, no 5 minute closures above. Still, no 5 minute closures above. Now we take the 15s and 30s is what we do. Look, 30 is about to close. We'll just take the 30. Excuse me. NYSE is in an hour and 10, I believe. Okay. Oh, see that reaction? It's a good reaction. He just touched it and then pew, it went off. So the idea here would be to wait. Or take the flip, I guess. You take the flip. This is a paper trade, right? So you'd go. I'd take the flip because it's touched it, and then I'd go. Stop loss is under here, and you target a 1-to-1. There. That'd be it. If it flips, well, I guess if this is still valid, if it doesn't invalidate it, then different story. Which it looks like it is. This is the way it goes sometimes, right? Sometimes you'll have things you set up and you want it and you don't force the trade. Because look at that. Go. Go on. Go on, buddy. Absolutely gonskis. Like, okay. The play here. Get rid of this. Obviously a downtrend, right? Boom. Lower high, lower low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high? Question mark? So the ideal trade would be to get the break. Or that break there. But no, I wouldn't take that. I'd have to wait for this. Is what I'd have to wait for. I'd wait for that. It's just a bit too messy for me. Oh, goodness me. Just a little bit too messy. That's all. It's just a little bit too, teeny bit messy. That's all. It's a little bit Lionel. It's messy. Okay, so now we're doing good. Now we're getting somewhere with gold. Making a little range. Creating some liquidity to break it and go one way or the other. Ah, it's much better. GJ looks like if we get that 15-minute closure, I think we should be good to ride that up. And gold, if we get a little 15-minute closure below, what do we have? Not much till about there, probably. Yeah, it's a little small range. All right, now, do we have something here? Oh, that could be an entry. Is that an entry? 14 pip. Fuck. That would have been it. That was the entry right there. But it's too close to support, man. I need to look for reasons to not take it. It's too close to a previous support. Not taking it. No, I need a closure below. That's what we need. I need a closure below. I'm not taking it. That flip would have been it. See, there's a second chance. Maybe. But again, it's a maybe. Because it hasn't broken the low. Still holding this little wick. And I can see this is a strong bullish, bearish candle. It's a strong, big body candle. Big booty candle. And you're on a bearish trend. We are going down. It's found a floor and then found a ceiling. It's found a floor and found a ceiling now. It's just which way is it going to break through? Which is the stronger? So we're just going to wait. Again. But now it's creating structure. It's built something where we can sort of pick one way or the other. It's hit its ass, hit its head. What's going to break first? Again, still got to wait for the next 30 minutes. All right. Oh, hello. Is gold working the boys? We get a position in 5 minutes, eh? We could get a position on gold in 5 minutes. All right. Oh, 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 oh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So what we need now? Closure. A top wick. And then we get it on the flip skis. We're going to go for, yeah, 0.01 lot I'm happy with. Because, like, I've made 38 bucks already. Actually, what's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, sweet F all. Let's have a look. See. You know what? Have me a lollipop. I'm gonna have me a lollipop. I gotta get rid of them. Chop a chop. Chop a chop. Look at that. Choco vanilla flavor. Give me a little sugar bush, you know? Yeah, see? Yeah. A little sugar bush, see? Oh, damn. Dropping frames. What? No. Probably because I had Photoshop running in the background. A bunch of other photo editing stuff. The old computer can't bloody handle it, can it? All right, let's see. What's our level? This feels rude. So I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm not. I am, but you know, whatever. So what do we want? We want it to come back. We want a top wick, and then we catch the run down. Most of the time, in NY session, statistically, the session that creates both top and bottom wick is the NY session. So we could get it pushed down strong. That's the daily bottom wick, and then go back up. Don't know. Yeah, don't know. I wonder how obnoxious do I sound? All right. There we go. Is that enough? Give me a bit more. Keep going. Yes, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Make me a top wick. Perfect. There. That's filled. Boys. Whooshka. Well, damn. These are good technicals. These are really good technicals so far. Nah. Wick was too big. The push-up was too big. I'm just looking at my account that I made. 38.71. I can not trade for the whole week and I'm happy. I should not trade for the whole week and it's fine. Because I made 20%. That's phenomenal. Phenomenal for the week. And I did that in an afternoon, in a session. So we take it and we run, boys. That's the lesson. Because I've made it, I've been in this same position and I haven't taken my own advice. Now we do it. Now it changes. So yeah. We're wrapping up there. Methinks that's him. If anyone was watching, is watching, will be watching, has watched, I appreciate it. And John, if you're watching, Johnny Pips 28. If you're watching, get it. Get it and keep getting it.